Maserati has once again proven that passion and performance go beyond cylinder counts. At the Meccanica Lirica event in Modena, the Italian marque unveiled two exclusive creations that celebrate craftsmanship, sound, and style in perfect harmony. Based on the GranTurismo and GranCabrio Trofeo, these one-off masterpieces redefine what it means to experience the Maserati spirit without needing a V8 under the hood. Both cars mark a homecoming for the brand. Production of the GranTurismo and GranCabrio has officially returned to Maserati's historic Modena plant, the same birthplace of the legendary MC20 supercar. The move brings these grand tourers back to the heart of Maserati's engineering heritage after being previously assembled in Turin at the Mirafiori factory. It's a symbolic return to the roots where Maserati's performance DNA continues to evolve. At the core of these new models lies the Nettuno twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing an impressive 542 horsepower. It's the same power plant that gives life to the MC20, and while it lacks the thunderous growl of Maserati's iconic V8, the engineers at Modena have meticulously tuned its soundtrack. They developed a new exhaust system with refined valve management and software calibration to deliver a deeper, more emotional tone that changes depending on the driving mode. The result is a symphony that's both soulful and sophisticated, a sound that pays homage to Maserati's past while embracing the future. Visually, these cars are rolling works of art, crafted under Maserati's Furoriserie personalization program. The GranTurismo wears a stunning red velvet finish called Rosso Valuto, while the GranCabrio dazzles in Oro Lirico, a color reminiscent of fine champagne. Both ride on 21-inch black Creo wheels with diamond-cut detailing in pale gold matte clear coat. Subtle gold-painted trident badges and color-specific trim pieces add a touch of bespoke luxury to each body. Inside, Maserati's artistry continues with a rich mix of materials and textures. The cabins feature burgundy leather contrasted with nude Alcantara, highlighted with Bordeaux stitching and gold chrome accents. Real wood inserts made from red-painted poplar elevate the craftsmanship further. On the driver's side door panel sits a Creata ad Modena badge, a proud declaration of origin. Each car even comes with a custom wool car cover, ensuring every detail carries Maserati's signature elegance. For those who crave exclusivity but can't get their hands on these unique builds, Maserati has introduced the Meccanica Lirica Pack. This option brings elements of the bespoke design to standard GranTurismo and GranCabrio models. The package includes the Creo wheels, white gold matte badges, Rosso Valuto or Oro Lirico paint finishes, and the same elegant interior trim. However, it excludes the reworked exhaust system, preserving the one-off car's acoustic uniqueness. Interestingly, Maserati also plans to extend the Meccanica Lirica pack to its fully electric Folgore range, blending traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The Folgore models, powered by 3 electric motors delivering a combined 818 horsepower, remain the most powerful versions of the GranTurismo and GranCabrio lineup. While they may lack exhaust pipes, they embody Maserati's electrified vision of performance and innovation. Maserati's message is clear. The soul of a grand tourer doesn't depend on the number of cylinders. It lies in emotion, design, and sound. With the Meccanica Lirica editions, the Trident brand continues to honor its past while boldly driving into the future, proving that even without a V8, a Maserati can still make your heart race with every rev.